Grace, Mr. Kunene, this is Unity Fellowship Church. You can come stand here and talk to us as requested.
Okay, sanibonani.
Greetings.
Ninjani? Ngizongixolela ngishaya kancane but ngizokuthanda ukuthi ngibingelele umama and ngibonge ithuba asinika lona. Phinde ngibingelele nobaba. Sibonge futhi ithuba asinika lona.
I would like to greet our mother and greet Professor Mukhuba and thank them for the opportunity they have given us.
Siyabonga kakhulu mama.
Thank you very much.
Oseceleni kwami umfana engisebenza naye uJames Chris Network.
This is James. I work with him at Chris Network.
Yes. Then ongapha on my right is Ganda. Naye is a crew member.
On my right is Ganda, who is also a crew member.
Ganda will read the statement, but I just want to say things that are from my heart. But Ganda will also add as well as James. I would like to say to Mom and the church about the podcast or the episode that we had with platform yet. I'm just a boy, grow up in KZN, and
When you disrespect elders, they would beat us.
So I told my grandmom about the situation. This is what is going on. Then my grandmom said,
Then my grandmother said, you have disrespected an elder, you will need to go be beat, get a hiding.
I respect my grandmom because it's the only person that I have. I never met my dad, I never met my mom. So I just know my grandmom. So when my grandmom was hurt, I was like, I have to do the right thing now for my grandmom, for the only woman that I have. So Mama, I know. And I'm here like sincerely. Sometimes when you do things, we don't know. As you see, we're young boys, we're driven, and we're doing this YouTube platform. We get that little money and we feed our family. But we didn't know